Arm Education Media is a subscription-based digital content hub, offering interactive online courses and e-first textbooks with the aim of addressing the skills gap in the computer industry. Our materials combine academic rigour with hands-on labs demonstrating state-of-the-art software and hardware technologies from the vast Arm ecosystem. With scripted lecture and lab videos, lecture slides with notes, interactive quizzes, and lab projects with solutions, the materials are ideal for flipped classroom pedagogy or individual self-study.
There's a growing trend for interactive multimedia self-paced learning in academia. That's why we're adopting the Arm Education Media DSP online course in our labs. With its modular and flexible structure, our students are able to assimilate important engineering concepts at their own pace and develop valuable industry-relevant skills.
We find this coursework very helpful. We're able to learn at our own pace, and we can learn it basically anywhere as long as we have the chipboard and also an oscilloscope and the computer.
We could go at our own pace, as well as we could actually find out more information using the videos and also the extra information given by ARM.
We've designed the online courses and e-textbooks to be highly modular and configurable. This allows for the rapid creation of new, customized content to suit the individual learner's need.
Arm Education Media's materials have a built-in upgrade cycle, crucial for keeping up with the rapid pace of technological changes. Whether you are an academic, researcher, student, librarian, professional engineer, or hobbyist, visit the Arm Education Media website. We look forward to hearing from you.